Hey, this is Jason. This is what I'm having right now. I'm gonna have some yogurt. I love yogurt. It's blueberry yogurt. Let's open it up. See. No, dog, you can't have it. My dog wants to eat everything in sight. She can't have this. What happened to the blueberry? There's no blueberry in there. Look at that. See? Look at it. That's nasty. There's no blueberry in there. But I'm gonna eat it anyhow because I'm hungry. Yeah, I don't know. The blueberries aren't in here. See, there's no blueberry in here. No. It's weird. Still all white. Yeah. No. Oh, it's in here. There's not that much blueberry left. See the blueberry? Not that much left at all. Good stuff. Good stuff.